In the heart of Western Europe, cradled by Spain and embraced by the Atlantic Ocean, lies a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and enchanting landscapes. This is Portugal, a country that whispers tales of ancient mariners, timeless traditions, and captivating cities. Welcome, dear wanderer, to a walking tour through this fascinating land. Our journey begins in the bustling city of Lisbon. Picture a cityscape woven with narrow, winding streets, each turn revealing intricate tilework, Gothic cathedrals, and the hum of local life. The city's story is etched into its architecture, from the medieval walls of the St. George Castle to the modern beauty of the Mat Museum. As you walk the streets, the sweet aroma of pastel de nata, a local pastry, lingers in the air, tempting your senses. From Lisbon, our path leads us to the coastal charm of Portugal's fishing villages. Imagine the rhythmic lull of the ocean waves, the vibrant colors of the fishing boats bobbing in the harbor, and the sun setting over the sea, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple. The air is filled with the salty tang of the sea and the soft murmur of fishermen recounting tales of the day's catch. Next, we venture into the heart of Portugal's rich history, the city of Porto. Here, the majestic Douro River snakes its way through the city, a lifeline connecting Porto's iconic Ribeira district with the world-renowned port wine cellars of Vila Nova de Gaia. As you wander the cobblestone streets, the city's history unfolds, from the stunning Baroque architecture of the Church of Clérigos to the bustling Mercado do Bolhão. Our journey culminates in the fairytale landscapes of Sintra. Here, lush forests envelop grand palaces and castles that seem to have leapt from the pages of a storybook. The Pena Palace, with its vibrant colors and whimsical design, stands proudly as a beacon of Portugal's Romanticism era. As you explore its gardens, the air is cool and fresh, filled with the scent of pine and the distant sound of a peacock's call. So, there it is, a walking tour of Portugal, a land where the past and present intertwine, where every street tells a story, and where the landscapes stir the soul. From the vibrant streets of Lisbon to the coastal charm of fishing villages, the historic allure of Porto, and the fairy tale landscapes of Sintra, Portugal, invites you to immerse yourself in its rich tapestry of experiences. It is a country that inspires, surprises, and calls you to explore. This is Portugal, a land of endless discovery,